Days, months and years have passed, but the fortunes of Gilgit-Baltistan haven't moved a single inch forward. State-backed discrimination, tottering infrastructure and unfulfilled poll promises continue to be the story of the region. Pakistan's government, which has illegally controlled this region for over 7 decades, has in fact ensured that the people here do not get a life of peace and prosperity. It has created obstacles and fomented troubles. And while it has been drumming about Kashmiri rights across the world, Islamabad has always been the last to acknowledge and react to colossal sufferings that the people in this region are enduring on an everyday basis.
If this is not throwing innocent lives in the jaws of death, then one only wonders, what is? In the absence of an alternative route, scores of vehicles, including passenger buses and loaded trucks, traverse this deadly stretch in the illegally occupied Yasin district every day. But that hasn't been enough to knock off the sleeping authorities. Weeks have passed since a large dust mountain following heavy rainfall came down on this key regional road, cropping up a situation where large vehicles cannot pass the area without hours of struggle. Locals who have grown disillusioned with the Islamabad-appointed bureaucracy have come to terms with decades of discrimination, and in spite of that, they call it a crisis that demands immediate government intervention, but nobody seems to have cared.
यहाँ रोड का हालत बहुत ही खस्ता है। यहाँ यासीन के आवाम के लिए बहुत बड़े मसाइल की दरपेश है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे जितने भी ट्रक और बसेस बड़ी गाड़ियाँ जो आती है उनके लिए बहुत ही मसाइल होता है, और जो ट्रक गंदम बोरी लेकर आते हैं उनके लिए कई दफ़ा यहाँ पे फंस चुके हैं और गंदम की बोरी जो है यहाँ पे लग के फट चुके हैं। तो हम हिफाज़त वाला से हमारी पुरज़ोर अपील है कि इस रोड को कम से कम यहाँ कोई पुल सीसी पुल बनाने की कोशिश करे, और यहाँ ऊपर से पानी जब आती है तो कई दिनों तक रोड फंसता है और बहुत ही मसाइल दरपेश है।
This is not an exclusive incident of apathy. The infrastructure and services in the entire region are corroding. The government claims to have spent huge amounts in the development projects, but locals have termed it a lie. Locals say any amount that is sanctioned by the central government is solely for the projects that cater to the needs of Pakistan and not theirs. Their pleas are rejected and ridiculed. Even trivial works take weeks and months to complete.
ये इस साल डिज़ास्टर जो है ना हुआ है, सैलाब आ गया है, और ताहाल न मैनेजमेंट डिज़ास्टर की तरफ से कोई है, न हुकाम बला की तरफ से कोई है, न वक्त के MNA की तरफ से हमारे कोई है। ये टोटली 4 घंटे का काम है। पिंडी से बस आती है, वो यहाँ से वोट नहीं जाती है, और ट्रक आता है, वो यहाँ घंटा लगा देते हैं, दूसरी ट्रैफिक के लिए ये मसले बनाते हैं।
Gilgit-Baltistan is home to some of the most captivating natural sceneries on earth, and its serene landscapes have the potential of making it a tourist hotspot. But instead of tapping its potential to provide a better life to local residents, the successive Islamabad-backed administrations have only exploited the land, resources, and people of the region. Locals say even the politicians who have indigenous roots are dancing to the tunes of Islamabad, as they are given a favorable treatment by the government for their shift in loyalties.